Hey Charmers, welcome back to Charm IQ Tutorials. In this video, we're going to show you how Charm IQ helps transform customer complaint to customer delight and master email communication. We've all been there. The dreaded customer complaint email lands in your inbox. Your heart sinks. You know this email can make or break a customer relationship. Sometimes, instead of crafting the perfect reply, we fall back on generic responses. Take this one, for example, polite, sure, but completely impersonal. No empathy, no real solution, and definitely not the kind of message that builds trust. Yikes. Sarah's been through this before and is clearly frustrated. She's not in the mood for another canned response. So, how do we turn this around? Enter Charm IQ. Charm IQ makes it easy to handle tricky situations with AI assistants tailored to your needs. Kim, our customer service representative, creates a specialized AI assistant called Client Champion to address complaints like Sarah's. Kim starts by using the charm writing specialist to craft a role description for Client Champion. Within seconds, the assistant is ready to help Kim handle the situation. Now it's time to address Sarah's email. Kim pastes the email complaint into the workspace and asks the Client Champion charm to help draft a response. To ensure Client Champion aligns with Zenith's tone and values, Kim uploads the company communication guidelines as reference material. These include examples of excellent customer service emails to teach the AI assistant what great communication looks like. This is the secret sauce. Charm IQ isn't about generic AI, it's about your AI trained on your best practices. By feeding Client Champion with our guiding principles, examples of outstanding customer service emails, and our brand voice, we ensure it learns to write emails the Zenith way, empathetic, professional, and solution-focused. Now, let's put Client Champion to work. We've given it the details of Sarah's complaint and instructions for a thoughtful, empathetic response. Let's see what it comes up with. Not bad. The draft is polite, apologetic, and offers a solution, but it's still a little generic. Let's push this a little bit more, see if Charm has further suggestions. Nice. Strengthening the apology with a more heartfelt tone, offering a more generous discount, and adding a friendlier closing. I like it. Let's proceed. Now that's an email. Notice the personal touches, like starting with, "I just read your email." The empathetic phrasing makes your day worse, and ending with "warmest regards and Zenith customer happiness team." It even adds a playful discount code, Zenith really sorry 25, to make it more memorable. This is not just fast, but genuinely good. It's empathetic, professional, and even have an extra layer of human warmth and personality. Our email is now ready. Let's hit that send button and see how Sarah responds to this thoughtful message. Success! Sarah's not just satisfied, she's delighted. What started as a dreaded complaint has been turned into a moment of genuine customer delight, all thanks to Charm IQ and a little human touch. Imagine what Charm IQ could do for your toughest email challenges. Whether it's responding to customer complaints, crafting personalized campaigns, or aligning communication with your brand's voice, Charm IQ empowers you to communicate with clarity, empathy, and impact. With Charm IQ, you're not just writing emails, you're building connections that matter. Try Charm IQ today and transform the way you think about email. Until next time, happy charming.